The reason why I got this big loop here is I want to put this over my ball on my hitch. And then I'll have a chain or a hook on the end of it also. I'm going to try these new Makita discs, cut-off discs, with this setup here on my grinder. All right. Okay, now this is going to go right here. It's going to go right here. I have to figure out whether it goes like this or like this. Either way will work, but you cannot put it like that because this leg right here is longer, so something like that. Okay, and then this one and this one, these are going to be just like these, only they're going to be like up here. And actually, when I get it done, these are going to hold, these two are going to hold the bottom of that square tube. And the square tube is over here. Right there. Yeah, this long tube. That's the top of it, and this is the bottom. And so there's going to be about, let's see here, about 17 inches between the two. I decided I'm going to weld it right in here and over here on this side. So now I'm going to take the paint off of this area. Now this one is also going to be used, but I'm going to drill the holes after I get these two drilled. Now I'm going to have to line up these holes like this so I can put in a bigger bit. This one here, and then I'm going to have to raise the table and move everything around to try to get it. This bit is 5/8, and the last one was 1/2 inch. So basically a 1/16 on each side. Okay, basically this post right here is going to be attached like this, and then this can be adjusted up and down, and this can also go like this. Either way it'll work. Alright, here is the present receiver, the one that's on there. Now these corners actually are rounded, radiused, but that's okay. This just gives me a rough idea of what's going on here. And actually this perimeter here, as you can see from this drawing, this perimeter all around here, it's all 1/2 inch. And then underneath of this hitch, let me show, I got a new pen holder by the way, but underneath of this is a plate, and it is 1/4 inch below the back end of this hitch. So we'll have to look at that. I've also got this where this has a 1/4 inch approximately here, so we'll have to take that into account as we go forward. Okay, now what I did here was I dragged this piece of wood right here. I dragged it clear over from there where this that hollow log is, and there's another one that is right there, and I got to get that one, but this is very heavy here, and I had to lift it up with this sort of a chain and a pulley system, and it worked really well. So now we're going to take this, take it back where it goes up to my house.